We'll be introducing two powerful indicators that could give you an edge in the markets. The first is the pivot trend lines with breaks indicator, a tool that can help you identify key levels of support and resistance in the market. Hello traders, this strategy can be applied to any chart of your choice. Now let's customize the pivot trend lines with breaks indicator. This powerful tool automatically generates trend lines, which are crucial in identifying key levels of support and resistance in the market. What makes this indicator stand out is its ability to provide buy and sell signal at the breaking point of the trend lines. This means that when the price breaks below a trend line, the indicator will give you a sell signal, suggesting it might be a good time to consider opening a short position. And when the price breaks above a trend line, the indicator will give you a buy signal, suggesting it might be a good time to consider opening a long position. The second indicator we'll be using is a customized version of the traditional MACD indicator called the CM-MACD Custom Indicator. This modified version can help us get a more precise confirmation of valid signals. After adding it to the chart, we'll make a few adjustments to fine-tune it. Now let's break down how the CM-MACD indicator can assist us in confirming signals. The indicator has several states. Initially, if the histogram of the indicator is green and above the middle level, we consider the market to be in a bullish trend gaining a strength. In the second state, if the histogram is white and above the middle level, the market is still in an upward trend, but we should refrain from entering a trade. In the next state, if the histogram of the indicator is red and below the middle level, we are in a bearish trend gaining its strength. Finally, if the histogram is white but below the middle level, the market is in a downward trend, but we should refrain from entering a trade. So, in simple terms, the CM-MACD indicator helps us understand the market trends and when it's best to enter or avoid a trade. It's a handy tool for making informed trading decisions. So, when it comes to trading, it's important to carefully consider the conditions before entering a trade. For a long trade, we want to wait for a bullish breakout signal. And then make sure the CM-MACD indicator is green and above the 50 level. So, if both of these conditions are met, we can feel confident about entering a trade. And to manage risk, it's important to set a stop loss below the recent swing low. You can also consider setting a target for the trade that's 1.5 times the amount of your initial risk. Now, let's talk about trading rules for a short position. To get started, we'll be on the look for a bearish breakout signal. Then, we want to check the CMACD indicator to make sure it's red and below the 50 level. So if both these conditions are met, we can go ahead and enter a short trade. To manage risk, be sure to set a stop loss above the recent swing high. And you can also set a profit target that's 1.5 times the amount of your stop loss. This strategy helps us make more informed trading decisions while still keeping risk in check. Now it's time to see the strategy in action. We conducted a backtest of this strategy on the Bitcoin chart using a 15-minute time frame, and the results were quite compelling. Over a series of 100 trades, the strategy demonstrated a robust win rate of 78%. Even more impressive, it yielded a substantial profit of 321% in a short span of just 12 weeks. Truly, these results underscore the effectiveness of this trading strategy. Choosing a trading strategy can be tough, but don't give up. I have a strategy that could be just what you need. It's easy to use and has the potential to be profitable. So, don't miss out on this chance to elevate your trading game.